Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ezanola Azura. Today I will explain to you about the curriculum material development about skill reading. So without any further ado, let's check this out. First, Satuan Pendidikan SMP kelas 9 semester 1 mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris dengan topik Procedure and Skill Reading, alokasi waktu 2 kali 40 menit. Standar kompetensi 5. Memahami makna teks tulis fungsional dan esai pendek sederhana berbentuk prosedur dan report untuk berinteraksi dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Kompetensi dasar 5.3. Merespon makna dari retorika dalam esai pendek secara akurat, lancar, dan berterima untuk berinteraksi dalam konteks kehidupan sehari-hari dalam teks berbentuk prosedur dan report. Indikator pencapaian. First, siswa dapat menangkap informasi spesifik yang ada pada teks prosedur. Second, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi makna dan gagasan dalam teks prosedur. Third, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi aspek-aspek yang ada pada teks prosedur. And then last, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi penggunaan tata bahasa simple present. Next, karakter. First, dapat dipercaya, trustworthy. 2. Berani, courage. 3. Tekun, diligent. 4. Tanggung jawab, responsible. And then last, peduli lingkungan dan sosial. Next, tujuan pembelajaran. Siswa dapat menangkap informasi spesifik yang ada pada teks prosedur. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi makna dan gagasan dalam teks prosedur. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi aspek-aspek yang ada pada teks prosedur. Dan yang terakhir, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi penggunaan tata bahasa simple present. Lanjut materi pembelajaran. Yang pertama, fakta. Jenis teks yang diajarkan, teks prosedur, how to make something. Contoh teks, fried potatoes. In here, contain ingredients, equipment, and steps. You can see ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 green bell pepper seed and chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and last 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Equipment: large skillet, plate, and pot. Steps: 1. Bring a large pot of salt water to a boil. Add potatoes and cook until tender but still firm, about 15 minutes. 2. Drain the potatoes and cut them into 1/2 inch cubes when they are already cool. 3. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add onion and green pepper. Cook about 5 minutes, stirring often until soft. Transfer to a plate and set aside. 4. Pour remaining 2 tablespoons of oil into the skillet and turn heat to medium-high. 5. Add potato cubes, salt, paprika, and black pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until potatoes are brown, about 10 minutes. Last, stir in the onions, green peppers, and parsley and cook for another minute. Serve hot. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 25 minutes. Okay, in here I will give some question. First, what does the tells about? What does the text tells about? 2. Which statement is not true according to the text? 3. How long do we need to try the recipe until it is ready to be served? 4. Transfer to a palette and set aside. 5. Drain the potatoes and cut blank 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 when they are already cool. The word they refers to 2. Concept. A structure text have a title, ingredient, and steps. Fungsi social text procedure to do something or show the instruction to people in daily life. 3. Principle. Language focus. A. Vocabularies. Pour, menuang, peel off, mengupas, slice, mengiris, add, menambah, stir, mengaduk, fry, menggoreng, grind, tiriskan. B. Simple present. Subject plus present tense form of the verb. Bare infinitive. G. Metode pembelajaran scientific approach. H. Langkah-langkah kegiatan pembelajaran. Pendahuluan 10 menit. Inti 15 menit. Dan penutup 12 menit. And then last, sumber belajar. First, contextual teaching and learning. 2. YouTube. And third, www.englishliana.com. Kompetensi dasar, merespon makna dan retorika dalam esai pendek secara akurat, lancar, dan berterima untuk interaksi dalam konteks kehidupan sehari-hari dalam teks berbentuk prosedur dan report. Materi teks prosedur, indikator soal, siswa dapat menangkap informasi spesifik yang ada pada teks prosedur. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi makna dan gagasan dalam teks prosedur. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi aspek-aspek yang ada pada teks prosedur. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi penggunaan tata bahasa simple present. Bentuk soal multiple choice. Jumlah soal 10, nomor soal 10. A. Instrument. How to make bergedel tempe. Same with previous text. Contain the ingredients and then have a instruction, right? And then choose the best answer based on the text above. First, which statement is true about the instruction? What is the main ingredient of the bergedel tempe? 3. When we add the egg in making bergedel tempe. 4. What is the generic structure of the text? 5. What is the social function of the text? 6. The language feature of the text is. 7. Fry until golden brown on the both sides, drain on observant. Last line. The underlined word has the closest meaning to. How to make flannel rosling. Ingredients and the ways. Next, the question, choose the best answer based on the text above. A. Which statement is not true about the instruction? 9. We need flannel to make Rose ring for twice. 10. What should we do after we cut around the flannel? 11. What is the generic structure of the second paragraph? And last number, twist it from central until the end. Second paragraph, the underlined word has similar meaning with. Alright everyone, I think that's all for me. Finally, if I have some mistake, I'm so sorry. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.